Hello again, it's Patrick Hake with Remax Gold. I'm here today to report to you about the sales in the Meadow Vista, Christian Valley, and Applegate, California areas between the months of April and June of 2010. We'll start with the sales. There were 24 homes sold in the area and 4 parcels of land. The least expensive home that was sold during the period was a 1,600 square foot home on Stanley Drive in Christian Valley, which is also a part of Auburn. That was unfinished and with some expired permits. It sold for $90,000. The high home sale for the period was a 3,600 square foot home on Woodmont Lane in Winchester Country Club, which sold for $840,000. And while that sounds high, those are down quite a bit since the peak, in which a home like that was probably selling for closer to $1.5 million. So quite a drop there. The volume was up since last quarter, just slightly. We had 21 sales last quarter and had 24 this quarter. And compared to the previous year, they're about even. There were 24 sales in both quarters from a year ago and this quarter this year. Prices are up compared to last quarter. Although they are down compared to last year. It's difficult with that number of sales and with the varying price ranges in Meadow Vista to take any real conclusions from that, because just a few homes selling in Winchester can throw off the averages and medians pretty quickly for prices, and that goes with there being a few less sales in there as well. So we won't read into that too much. The inventory has remained stable between 8 and 9 months, depending on if you count the contingent short sales or not. So that's still a bit higher than what you'd see in the valley. One of the main reasons for that is there's a smaller number of short sales and bank-owned properties in Meadow Vista and Christian Valley and Applegate, so there's less inventory to feed the people that are looking for those types of listings. Because the inventory is higher, the average discount is up actually near 3%, whereas we've seen recently in Antelope and Citrus Heights there's almost no discount. The average discount's about 3% in the area. If you look at the days on market, it's taking about 4 to 6 months to sell a home. Now that does not mean that you can expect to sell it in 4 to 6 months. It means if you do, that's probably about as long as it will take. As far as pending sales, we're stable at 10. There were 9 pending sales last time we checked, and there's 10 this time. And then as far as active properties, we're up about 15% to 76 listings in the area, with the average, median, and average price per square foot all coming down about 10% since we last checked in April. So those are the statistics for the month. Please check our website, and you can see all of the sales mapped out, and you can see a list of them as well if you're curious. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 916-728-1981, or as always, you can check on our website as well at www.placercountyhomesandland.com. And I'll talk to you soon.